Hello friends, in this tutorial we will study about inheritance. Inheritance is a special and most important feature of object-oriented language. Advantage of inheritance is we can reuse and share our code, so it saves lots of coding and effort time. So ultimately it saves money. Here we have defined one class called parent. Inheritance provide hierarchical relationship between classes. We are now define one method which is a simple method and we will display some message in that method. When we inherit one class in other class which is to be inherited is called super, and which we want to inherit other class is called derived class. We can inherit class using colon operator. Here we can see syntax of the inheritance. Let's define another method for child class which will also display some message. It is also simple method. When we derive parent class in a child class using public, so we can access parent class public members. Now let's see how it works. Now we will create object of parent class as well as objects of child class. First we will call display parent method using parent class object, and then we will call display child and display parent method of parent class and child class using child class object. So this is the inheritance. We can access child class and parent class both method using object of child class. We can see in output we have called method of parent class object using object of child class. This is the magic of inheritance. Thank you.